Assalamu alaikum class. Yesterday we started the receptors in humans. We discussed the receptors in humans in detail. The organs which can detect the stimuli known as the receptors. We see the different types of receptors in human beings, and we discussed the eye in detail. And eye is the major basic component of our human body or any other animal's body. So because we can see and observe the many things with the help of our eyes, so that we discuss the structure of the eye and how the image can be formed in behind the retina, so that we all these things can be seen in the previous lecture. And we also see the some disorders like the color blindness and the night blindness, which we see the in last lectures. And these two disorders can be happen due to the imbalanced pigment production which can be produced by the rods and cones. And so today we can also discuss some other disorders of eyes. So we discuss the disorders of eye. Basically, these disorders can be change in the eyeball shape, so that the disorders which we study the today can be occurred due to the change in the eyeball shape. The major disorders which can be done by the eyeball shape changes are the myopia and the hypermetropia. First of all, we see the myopia. Myopia is also known as the short sightedness. Yes, short sight. This is a disease. In which disease, in myopia, the eyeball size can be increases, means elongation of eyeball can be happened in the myopia. So that in myopia, a person which can be faces this problem myopia, those persons या these person cannot be able to see the distant objects clearly, means दूर की नज़र जिसे आप कह सकते हैं कि डिस्टेंस ऑब्जेक्ट्स पे जो चीज़ें हैं वो इन्हें क्लियर नज़र नहीं आती मायोपिया में. सो दैट इन द मायोपिया image is also formed. You know that the third layer, retina, is the sensory layer of eye, which is also responsible for the formation of the image. So that in this disordered myopia, image can be formed in front of the retina. You know that all the diseases can be cured, so that the myopia can be cured by the use of the concave lens. This lens shows the concave lens, the lens which can be broader from their corners and can be thin from their inner side. So that this is the convex lens, and this disorder can be cured by the use of the convex lens. And the other disease is the hypermetropia, and hypermetropia is also known as the long-sightedness. In myopia, we see that the eyeball can be elongated, but in hypermetropia, the eyeball can be shortens, and means eyeball faces the shortness. So that the person which faces the disease is known as the hypermetropia. In this disease, the persons which can be faces hypermetropia cannot be able to see the near objects clearly, means नज़दीक की नज़र जिनकी कमज़ोर होती है उनमें आप कह सकते हैं hypermetropia. So that in hypermetropia, image can be formed or can be done behind the retina. In myopia, image can be formed in front of retina, but in the hypermetropia, image can be formed behind the retina. So that with the use of the convex lenses, we can be cured the hypermetropia disease. This diagram shows the disorder of the hypermetropia, and this shows the treatment in which we can use the convex lens. And the convex lens is the lens which can be thick from the center and which can be thin from their borders, means this lens in the form of this form. So convex lens is in the form of this form. These two lenses which can be used to cure the eye disorders. So here we discuss the two disorders of eyes, and these disorders can be discussed with the change in the eyeball shape. Myopia and hypermetropia are the basic disorders which we discussed today. The major difference, these two disorders can be opposite to each other. So in myopia, elongation of the eyeball; in hypermetropia, shortness of eyeball. Notes in the near objects in hypermetropia and not able to see the distant objects. Use of the concave lens and use of the convex lens. So image can be formed in the front of the retina, and image can be formed behind the retina. Students, see your book. These are the disorders of eye. In this box discuss the color vision of the pilots, and the pilots which can have the sharp rods and cones, means उनकी जो आई साइट है वो बहुत ज़्यादा क्लियर होनी चाहिए, उन्हें बहुत सारी चीज़ें देखनी पड़ती है, लाइट गन्स आएँ या सिग्नल्स या उन्हें किसी भी तरह का कोई इंडिकेटर्स हम प्रोवाइड करते हैं, या अगर अल्लाह ना करे कोई जहाज़ में कोई प्रॉब्लम आ रही होती है तो पायलट्स को पहले से पता चलना चाहिए, मतलब उन्हें इस तरह की क्लियर विजन होना चाहिए। इसीलिए बहुत ही मतलब 6/6 आई साइट वाले को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इस प्रोफेशन में चूज़ किया जाता है। ये सारी परफॉर्मेंस के लिए इस तरह का बताया गया कि ये अच्छी परफॉर्मेंस उसकी ड्यूटीज़ के लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा बेनिफिशियल होते हैं। थैंक यू क्लास, इट्स ऑल अबाउट आवर टुडे टॉपिक।